Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I'm so glad that you're here. Thank you for chiming in the last couple of weeks as well. I appreciate that. I've gotten some great feedback from various individuals regarding my videos that they've been helpful. So I'm so glad I'm helping you. So depending on where you're watching this from today, you could either be experiencing 6 to 12 inches of snow, or like where I'm at in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, along the lakefront, we are experiencing spring-like temperatures. It feels like it's about 60 degrees outside, and it's been pouring down rain all night long. So anyway, happy Thanksgiving. 'Tis the season here in the Midwest, right? Or I don't know where you guys are, maybe in the South, and it's really nice and cozy down there. Anyway, so I just want to get down to business and start talking a little bit about week number 3 from So You Think You Are Ready to Buy a House. So now, a couple weeks ago, we had talked about that seller credit. Remember that? Well, I just wanted to remind you guys, make sure that your seller credit is listed in your offer to purchase. Okay, if we've talked about that, it's important that you mention that to your real estate agent and that it is actually listed in your real estate offer to purchase. Okay? That's just very simple. It will help you qualify for the mortgage that you're looking to qualify for up front. So go ahead and get that done. I just wanted to remind you. The other things is now you've got everything signed. You came in for your meeting. You submitted your documents to me. I just got the question yesterday. Now what happens? Okay, what do we do over the next, 45 days or so? Well, we do the work. Okay, so now that you've signed those documents, that signified to us that you're ready to proceed with the loan process. So now we have to order an appraisal. It'll take the appraiser a couple weeks to go out to the house and check out the house. This is not something that you order. This is not something that you are by law able to pick out. You're not able to pick out your appraiser. So what an appraiser will do is they will come out to your house. They'll take pictures of your house. They will measure your house, and then they pull comparables of other homes in your area that are similar to your home that have sold in the last 6 months to a year. And that's how they come up with the appraised value of your house. Okay? So it's important that that appraised value come up to equal or more than what you're looking, the offer to purchase says. Okay? So the appraiser, I think, is important because people get that confused with the inspector, have an inspector out. In Wisconsin, it is not, by law, we do not have to have an inspector come out to your house. That's actually your choice if you want an inspector to come out and check out anything that's wrong with your house. Okay, so if there's, if the roof needs repair, the inspector's going to sniff that out. If, the boiler system, or let's say, for example, the electrical or something needs to be upgraded because it's not in good condition, the inspector's going to sniff that stuff out. So if you're looking for to find out everything that's wrong with the property, the inspector is the person that you want to hire, and that is hired and paid for by you out of pocket. Okay? So in addition, one of the things that we do is we actually do income verification, and we do that through your employer. We do employer verification. We make sure that your tax transcripts are correct. We check you against the OFAC list to make sure you're not a terrorist. So we order title insurance, and what title insurance does is it actually protects you. It protects you, the buyer, and it protects us as the mortgage company, that the sellers are who they say they are, and that there's no actual legal claim against the property. And so what that means is, let's say the sellers hired a contractor to do work on the house. What it does is it's really going to protect you that that contractor has been paid and they don't have a lien against the house. So that's going to be very important because you don't want them having any legal claim to your home and come back later and say, hey, I have a legal claim to this house. So we make sure we protect against that. So all of these things are things that we do in the background, okay? We do some other things as well, but next week we're going to talk about the actual closing and packing your bags and stuff like that. So this is the fun part that everybody likes to get to. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Please share this video. Continue to like and share everything that I do. It really helps to get my name out there. It helps me to really be able to assist a lot of different people in the mortgage process. So I will see you next week. Bye.